An Instagram bug showed a camera on indicator for iOS 14 devices, even when users weren't taking photos. Okay, so this one's interesting because recently you had the controversy around the webcam on MacBooks, and Apple came out and said, don't you dare cover your MacBook because it was shattering people's screens. But then people said, I don't trust your tech that is not actually looking at me. And then Apple said, hey, if that light ain't on, it ain't working. The light is everything. And then now you have this Instagram bug where the light is on, and Instagram says, no, nothing was ever captured. And this is, of course, an iOS 14 bug, so it's the latest stuff, and there's going to be some bugs, but still, I can understand why people would be a bit concerned with that light coming on after the way that Apple has talked about that light, that no, your camera is operating when the light is on. So anyways, people were scrolling through and they weren't taking a photo or video, and they were seeing the camera on indicator while in Instagram. An Instagram spokesperson said the behavior was a bug. It's being fixed. The app's create mode is accessible from the Instagram camera, which could set off the camera indicator, and swiping into the app's camera from feed may also trip it up. Trip it up. Interesting language there. Seemingly indicating that it's a small little malfunction. Now, Instagram, of course, owned by Facebook. Facebook constantly being scrutinized for its treatment of users' privacy. I don't need to tell you, Willie do. So they're not exactly the best company to be tripping up on this front. But also, I will go ahead and say software difficult, once again, brackets, words, codes. So it doesn't necessarily always need to be malicious, but when it's coming via Facebook, you do ask some questions. Apple apparently targeting all areas of potential privacy concerns by, within iOS 14, offering up new indicators and new ways of seeing what apps are actually doing, including functions like I mentioned with TikTok, where there was the issue with the clipboard. By the way, TikTok said they're going to remove clipboard stuff altogether, as you would if you were TikTok and you were being examined. You would eliminate all that anyway. So it's showing you all the stuff apps are doing. I don't know if people are going to be using apps after this. They're going to be, that app's doing what? And this one too? But yeah, apps, they reach in. They reach in deep.
Yeah.
Right to your soul, Willie do.
Oh boy.